Singh. I study in first class, Bonne Anne Public School, मुरादाबाद। आज मैं आपको यम्मी स्पेशल सैंडविच बनाना सिखाऊंगी। दोस्तों, इसके हमें चाहिए होगा ब्रेड, स्पून, योनी, टोमेटो, अनियन, नमकीन। तो दोस्तों, बनाना शुरू कर। सबसे पहले हम लेंगे योमी। इसे हम ब्रेड पे लगा देंगे। दोस्तों, आपका यम्मी सैंडविच बन गया है। इसलिए आपको धन्यवाद। We will put one piece of bread. Now I will put tomato ketchup on it. Now put cucumber and tomato. Like tomato. If you like onion, you put onion also. Now join the another piece of bread. Now your sandwich is ready. Thank you. Hi. Come, let's go.
नमकीन, ग्रीन चिली, अनियन, लेमन जूस, सॉल्ट।
फलों का राजा आम है। आज हम बनाएंगे खट्टा खट्टा मीठा आम रस। उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले चाहिए आम, शुगर पाउडर एंड आइस। उसके लिए हम सबसे पहले काटेंगे उसके छिलके। अब हम मैंगो के पीसेस करते हैं। And mix it properly. अब इसमें हम 3 से 4 आइसक्रीम डालें।
While studying in Bonne Anne Public School, presenting you a video on mango pie. As weather is so hot, so let's make cool mango pie. The ingredients needed to make mango pie are mango pieces, cream, mango shake, coconut powder, raisins, green cherries, red cherries, pomegranate, and Hershey syrup. Firstly, we have to add some mango pieces in the bowl, and then we have to add the cream. Now we have to add mango shake. Like this. Then we have to again add mango pieces. And now we have to add mango shake. And now we have to add coconut powder. And then we have to add raisins. And now we have to add green cherries. And now we have to add red cherries. And now we have to add the pomegranate. And now at last we have to add Hershey syrup.
Hello my dear friends, I am Akriti Kaushal from 7th grade. Today I am going to present a mouth-watering recipe that is an eggless Swiss cake. So let's get started. I am crushing marigold biscuits in the grinder. Now add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon butter, 2 teaspoon sugar powder, 2 teaspoon chocolate syrup, it's a made of desiccated coconut, half teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon white powder milk, and 2 teaspoon milk. Mix it well. Tightening the dough on a plastic sheet. One teaspoon white powder milk and 2 teaspoon milk. Mix it well. Tightening the dough on a plastic sheet.
everyone who are watching my video. I am Alafia Bilal from Bonne Anne Public School. Ingredients needed for creating coconut laddu: some coconut powder, condensed milk, and some things to decorate it. First of all, we have to take 200 grams of coconut powder. We needed to take condensed milk. Now we will make a dough out of it. Balls out of it. So we can see our ball is ready. Now we have to dip our ball into coconut powder and cover it with it. Now let's make
And black pepper. Now mix it finely. Now pour it. Pour it equally in all. Now, at the last, I would to say, eat high protein sprout salad and say go Corona go.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Humaira Parveen of class 10C from Bonne Anne Public School. For this video, I want to share my quick and delicious recipe of my cornflakes bacon. So then let's begin. Now these are the required ingredients for my recipe. 1 bowl of cornflakes, some peanuts and aloo bhujia, 1 chopped onion, some green chilies and coriander leaves, and a tomato which I cut it to garnish it. Now put this cornflakes into a mixing bowl. And all the ingredients along with the chopped onion, coriander leaves, green chilies. Now mix them well. Now pour half of a spoon of chaat masala in it. Squeeze half a lemon of it. Mix them all. Now it is ready to serve. Wait a second. This is my serving plate. I put some amount of it. Now my bhel puri is ready. You can see. I'll garnish it by tomato. Please. Now you can see. Enjoy the taste of. Thank you so much to honorable teachers for watching my videos. Bye bye.
Good afternoon to everyone who are watching my video. I am Insha Muzakkir from Bonne Anne Public School. Today I am going to share you my experience of creating coconut burfi. Here are some ingredients to create coconut burfi. Some coconut powder, condensed milk and some colored coconut powder. Take some coconut powder, add some condensed milk, Now make a dough of it. Now our dough is ready. I put in my plate. Now my barfi is ready. Now I will make more barfis. Now my barfi is ready. Now I will decorate my barfis. Now my barfi is ready. Zoom कर दो.